the moment that we have been waiting for. We will have our ultrasound so that we will know if it's a boy or a girl. So, naka-blue kami.
I think it's a boy.
I don't know. So,
I think
let's
it's a boy.
find out. Excited to open this. No! Boy or girl?
Boy!
Nope.
Klaro. Three, two, one.
Lucy, mama na Lucy! Oh, it's a boy! Ala, baby, ayan ka dyan lang ka. Di ba, mawala yung Olivia pa? It's a boy!
Ano yung gano'n ni boy?
Ayan, I am a boy. Ibotang ni Doc.